Most social networks have privacy settings that give you a bit more control over who sees what you post. You can change the default privacy settings so that all of your posts are seen by more or fewer people than usual. While you can choose settings that allow people who aren't your friends to see your posts, this isn't recommended. Many social networks also let you choose different privacy settings for each post, so you can make some public, some that can be seen by a specific group of people, and others that can be seen only by you. This can be a good choice if you find you sometimes post things you wish you hadn't. Set your default to Only Me. Then a few hours later, you can go back and decide if you want your friends to see the post after all. It can also be helpful if you want to post something only so you can remember it in the future, and don't necessarily want others to see it. To change your settings on Facebook, click Settings, and then click on Privacy on the left side menu. Find Who Can See Your Future Posts, and click Edit. A lot of social networks let you tag a post or photo with someone's name. Others can tag you in their posts in the same way. What this means is that anybody looking for you on that network will see posts in which you have been tagged. If you go to the Profile and Tagging settings, you can decide who can see posts tagged with your name. That means you can keep friends of friends from seeing them. You should also set the app to notify you anytime you're tagged in a post or photo, and ask for your approval before it gets added to your profile. It's harder to control who sees what you post on an open network like Twitter or YouTube, but most platforms offer ways to limit the audience. On Twitter, you can require other users to seek permission to view your tweets by selecting Settings and Privacy from your profile, then Privacy and Safety, and then switching on Protect Your Tweets. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in this series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.